Muscle GTX 71 2005 Muscle Mania. As part of the Mainline Segment series in the Muscle Mania collection, this diecast car is an iconic representation of the 71 Plymouth GTX with a classic muscle car feel. This car comes in an attention-grabbing enamel orange color, combined with dashing body curves and a sporty appearance. On the hood, there is a transverse black strip and GTX writing in silver and black, adding to the uniqueness of the design. On the side of the car, there is a black 440+6 emblem that shows the prowess of the engine. This car has a chrome base and is made of plastic, and is given a classy touch with dark glass and a black interior. Using the typical 5SP wheel type, this 71 Muscle GTX was produced with toy number G6828. Made in Malaysia, this diecast car is one of the Kmart Collector's Day exclusives, making it a special and rare collection that is worth having for muscle car fans and Hot Wheels collectors.